All right, it is day number 155 review video here today. I almost said 555. I don't know why. 155 review video here today, guys. We're going to look into the profitability. We're going to look into the win rate of the last 24 hours, all that kind of good stuff. If you want to join the team, we have this going on right now, which basically makes it risk-free for you to test things out. You get a year's subscription to the trading bot. After you purchase it, basically I look it up in my back office. I see, oh, you've purchased the trading bot, 50 USDT. I send the 50 USDT back to you because I actually get 100% commission on a 50 USDT trading bot there. So I send you back 50 USDT, making it risk-free for you to test out because your deposit balance is 100% withdrawable at any time. So if you're interested in that, click the first link in the description. If you're watching this video through the team YouTube channel, which doesn't have a photo of me in the profile picture there, you can go and contact the person who shared the playlist with you. If you're watching this through our Facebook group, just get back to the person that invited you to the Facebook group and ask them if they can do that offer for you as well to make it risk-free for you. So, you know, giving you 50 USDT basically after you purchase the bot, which is pretty awesome. So we'll get going here. We will figure this out. What is the profitability for today, which looks like another nice day, guys, over 0.50%. It seems here the last 3 days we've had really nice days, but then the following like week or something before that, it was on the lower side of things. So it looks like the bot's like making up. But I know why is because the price of Bitcoin has been going on a run for like the last 3 days. So the bot is doing $200 gaps and not $100 gaps. So that's why it's making a little bit more money here, as we can see in the trade history there. Okay, so let's go and pop this in here, and we'll go and and then we're gonna go and I actually have to get into the other account. So I'm gonna go into switch accounts here, go to subscription account, and it looks like the token is doing exactly what I said it would do there. It's going back down, to this blue line right here, guys. So that's pretty cool. It's doing that. It's giving us more buying opportunities. Basically, we don't want the token to go up. We want it to be low. So it gives everyone a buying opportunity, and they can actually get to 80-20 without having to spend like $4,000 to $8,000 to do it. If the token's like $1 to $2, then you're spending like $4,000 to $8,000 to get the tokens. If it's this low here, you're spending like $1,300 to $1,500, which is more realistic for most people, right? So we actually want the price of the token low, guys. There, okay? So I guess I don't have to do token analysis because I already talked about it. It's a buying opportunity, not financial advice, okay? And that's basically what this is here. You want to get to 80-20. As you can see, I'm at 80-20 there, and you actually get the tokens back when you feel like, oh, yeah, I want to leave Traiex, or, you know, I don't know, try something else or whatever. After 12 months, if you freeze it, you can get the tokens back there, or you can just do what I do and refreeze it. Like, I don't plan on leaving Traiex, right? So I just refreeze my tokens there every 12 months. So I'm going to go and grab this balance here. So 6777 28. 6777 6777.28, and we'll figure out our win rate, or sorry, our profitability there for the last 24 hours. So 0.63%. So still really, that's really high, guys. 0.50 is probably the average there for 80-20 split with the token. So we don't need to do token analysis because I already just did it, and we're going to shoot on over here. So we're going to try and keep this video really, really short. Shoot over here to the trade history. We're going to look for yesterday's trades, which would be the 9th, and there it is right there. So this one here, we have to count this as one trade. Opened on the 9th and then closed on the 10th. So we'll look over here, and that was a profitable trade. We're looking for the losing trades, and we found our first losing trade there right away. That's awesome. So we've got page number 4, one losing trade, and we've got 2 trades on page number 4. Okay, so we got one losing trade there, so that's a losing trade. If you want to know what a losing trade is, just go watch any video from before day 140, and I always talk about it in the video, like, what is losing trade? They're actually break-even trades, right? So this is a profit, this is a profit, this is a profit, this is a profit, this is a profit there, and then we'll go to the next one. You can see it's doing $150 to $200 gaps within the price of Bitcoin. This is a loss, so there's that guy there. And then this guy here is a profit. This is a profit. That's a profit. That's a profit. And the next page is a profit, 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 profit. Let me see. Yeah, that's profit. And then a profit. And then the next one is a loss. So there's a loss right there. So that's 3. And then we've got a profit. There's another loss right there. So that's 4. And then we've got this guy's a profit, profit to the next page. Should be just 2 more pages or so here. So we've got, that's another loss right there. So that's 5. And then we've got this guy, another loss right there. So that's 6. And that happens a lot. You get back-to-back losses. This is a profit. This is a profit. This is a profit. To the next page here is, that's a loss. So that's 7 there. And then we've got a profit, another loss. That's 8. World record for losses in these videos is 10, and on average it's 6 to 7. So we're definitely over the average here with 8. We've got a profit and a profit, and then to the next page is still the 9th, is a profit, 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 and another profit, and this should be the 8th here. Yeah, so there's the 8th there. So we're going to start on the 11th here, and we're just going to count back. I'm counting it as 5 trades per page. I know a buy is a trade and then a sell is a trade, but I counted as 5 on each page, meaning the buy and the sell together gives us if it's a profit or a loss there, okay? So that's 1 full page from the 9th. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6, okay? And then we've got 2 trades there. So 6 times 5 plus 2 is what we need to do. So 6 times 5 plus 2, and this is going to give us how many trades it did. So it did a little bit on the low side because that's 64 trades, so that's definitely on the low side, right, of trades. Normally it's like 68 to high 70s. And we did have a lot of losses, 8 losses there. So this profitability from yesterday's trades is going to be a little low, but it's doing $200 gaps. So that's why it gave us a nice, strong day yesterday. Like it made 0.58% yesterday, which is above the average. So yeah, when it does $200 gaps, guys, it's, and the market's going up, it's not, it's losing average amount of trades or whatever. It's still going to have a very profitable day. And this one here is 8 because we had 8 losing trades. And that's that. Let's see what this is here. So 75%, which is very, very low for the trading bot. I know if you're a trader out there and you're like, wow, a win rate of 75%, you'd be over the moon about that. But this bot's not trying to do like a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 in the trade, like winning 3 times as much as it's willing to lose type thing. It's just doing gaps of like 100 to 200, and it's doing, well, there it did 32 trades, right, over 24 hours type thing, including a buy and a sell together. So that's pretty damn good there, 75%. But for the bot, it's actually really, really low because normally it's like 80 to 90%. If you were to go through these videos here, actually, there's a lot of 70s, high 70s over this last week. But if you were to go through here and look at everything, you'd see like 80 to 90% is its actual, you could pretty much count on it to do 80 to 90% win rates, which is amazing. So this is 75 today. Once again, we'll go and we will end the video here with doing withdrawals. So let's pull that $39. And if you're not promoting, I wouldn't recommend doing this because your profit balance actually earns as well. But I like to just compound everything into here just to make this number bigger. And then the next day's video, we have a different number there. And also I like to go over to my commissions, grab my commission. So I made $22.40 last night. So I grab my commissions there and I'll do the same thing. I'll just throw it in that balance and makes the number bigger, right? Okay. So yeah, if you're interested in joining the team, click the first link in the description. I'm still talking to 2 people, guys, about the bot. So I have 23 bots left. I'm going to give them another week. And if they don't get a bot, then I'll just give the bots to somebody else type thing. But yeah, I've got about 23 bots left to do this with, give the 50 USDT bonus. Because here's the thing, guys. Once I have 0 bots here, I have to wait till this date till I can get 100% commission for a sale of a bot. meaning that I can't give a 50 USDT bonus away. So I'll actually stop promoting. Yeah, if you want to get yourself a bot, click the first link in the description. And once again, if you're watching this on the team channel, get back to the person that shared the playlist with you. If you're watching this through the Facebook group, get back to the person that invited you to the Facebook group and see if they have any bots left for you there, which I'm sure probably they do, right? So that's it, and I'll see you in another video shortly. Bye-bye.